Hi everybody, back in the taste test corner. Robert Jones here doing taste test for you today. Today we have something a little bit special. This is the Sugar Booth brand green tea almond nougat. These were a gift from my significant other's mother. She brought them back from the Philippines, I believe. I don't know if they're made in the Philippines. We'll find out when we read the back. But, so these are a nougat, kind of a traditional French or European. It looks like nougat with nuts in the middle. I think it might be almonds. We'll have to find out when we read the ingredients. But they come in this, and I did open this earlier just so I could get them out easily because the box is a little rough. So it has a little flip-toppy box. And inside the box actually comes a card like this. And the nougats are really tiny, like this. So let me go back and start over here and dump this out so I can read the box. I dumped them out, you can see here. Okay, oh, or not. So, it's all in Chinese. So, they may be Chinese, maybe not Filipino. It says they're made by Tasameng Corporation, and it doesn't say... Okay, anybody reads Chinese? You can see what it says here. I'll have to do some research. I don't know what it says. But the only things that are in English is it says Sugar Booth, which is the name of the card. And maybe they have a booth like in the airport or something. I'm not sure where she got these, but yeah, doesn't say much. All it says in English is Sugar Booth Green Tea Almond Nougat. So, here we go. Let's see. This got a little packet. It looks like it has some manufacturing numbers here on the bottom. We'll get the old snippy going here. Snip. Ooh. Oh, it definitely has a green tea smell. You definitely smell the matcha. Matcha. Everything's matcha. Now, coming up, you guys, I have been collecting different brands of matcha. So I was going to do a video of, it's kind of a slight cooking and taste test at the same time. We can have a matcha taste test. There's been a lot of them coming to the United States lately. So that's exciting. All right, the reveal. Here we go. Green tea nougat. It just looks like it's about room temperature right now, so it's a little stretchy. Let's give it a taste. Mmm, crunchy. Mmm. Mmm. You guys, that's really good. All up in the teeth. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so what am I tasting here? First of all, you get the nice aroma of the green tea. And then, when you bite into it, you get that crunch. You heard the nuts are nice and crunchy. Let's see if I can show you another whole piece here. And then you get the nougat. So if you guys are familiar with nougat, I think it's a whipped sugar. Usually has egg whites, I believe, in it. Now we're having another airplane. So I believe it has egg whites and probably corn syrup and sugar. Like I said, I can't see anything here on the box, but this is my best guess at what's in here. It has a nice chew, so the nuts are crispy, but then you have a chew, so you get those two different contrasting things going on in your mouth, which is nice. And then normally nougat is kind of vanilla-ish. I guess you can flavor it any way you want. But this does have the matcha and the green tea flavor. So, of this, I would probably give these an 8 or a 9. These are a pretty good product. The only thing I would say is that these tiny little packets are pretty small. I guess I would say it's about 2 bites. And then I don't remember how many come in the box. I'd say there's probably at least 30, 40 pieces in here. So there you go. That's my taste test of the day. Hope you guys are well. I'm Robert Jones, and I would love to have you guys come back. Hit subscribe, hit like. It helps me out and makes me build a better channel for you guys. If there's something you'd like to see or you'd like to send to me or whatever else, my address is down below. I'm always happy to try your products. Maybe you're a manufacturer. Maybe you are a distributor. Maybe you just want to see me eat something crazy. I don't know. All right, you guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.